you like it? Do you like it? Is it comfy?
Comfy. Oh,
Yeah?
yes, it is comfy.
Do you like mommy's nursery feeding chair?
Yes.
It's for the new baby.
And I'm going to share the new baby this.
Yeah? Is it a girl or a boy? What do you think for the baby? Is your baby sibling a boy or a girl? What do you think?
A girl. So Zion and the new baby could use this together.
I thought you want a boy, so you want a girl now. So that's my nursery racking, recliner, and swivel chair that we just bought in Walmart for $2.99 plus tax. So that's it, guys.
My nursery swivel, rocker, and recliner highly recommended. It is very comfy and easy to assemble.